Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're out here at Sweetwater Creek State Park. We're gonna be doing a couple loops on some blazes I've never been to before. Also, we're doing some training with my wife, Stephanie. She's got her pack packed down with about 25 pounds, so it's gonna be interesting to see how she's rocking around town. So let's keep moving. Now again, before you come here, make sure you are prepared for a crowd. There is limited parking. We actually had to park way far away from the visitor center. So if you are coming on a weekend, expect to see a crowd because there's not much around here and everybody likes to be outside, so this place is gonna be packed. So along this trail, there's tons of trails that just break off of the main trail to check out the creek or whatever this source is. I'm not sure actually where the water's coming from, but this is Sweetwater Creek. Looks a little bit bigger than a creek. What are your thoughts? Put a comment down below. I don't know if you can see that great blue heron out there. Looks like we're coming up on some rapids, and as you can see, there is an old cotton mill that was destroyed during the Civil War. Look how knobby this tree is. Yeah. And the current temperature is 48 degrees. All right, as you can see behind me, there are some great rapids out here that are very easy to access. Only less than a mile or so to get to this point. Very easy to access rapids, lots of great shots to see. Let's go check out those ruins. So the break in the trail. The white blaze is normally the way we go, but today we're only gonna do the red trail and the orange blaze, but it says it becomes more moderate to difficult. So my wife said what?
If I have to climb up and down rocks while practicing with my 25-pound backpack,
You're gonna what?
I'm going to kick your ass.
Let's keep moving. All right, so there's a little bit of ups and downs on the Red Blaze Trail. Stephanie, how are you feeling about it so far?
Better now.
Better. So she's carrying about 30 pounds of weight with the water and the added weight she's put in her pack. So she's getting a nice little training session today with her rucksack, prepping for our upcoming hike on a flat terrain in Cumberland Island. So I'm thinking it's going to be a nice experience. Should be all trained up. But here we go. Check this out. Well, I'm pretty surprised. I've never been on the Red Blaze before. Past the ruins, that is. I've been out here plenty of times on the White Blaze, but now the Red Blaze does have some ups and downs and some terrain that's a little bit different than, say, a flat area. But there's lots to see. As you can see behind me, the rapids are just great all along the river in this area. So we were just down there, climbed up this area. Nice little incline. But evidently the red blazes do end, and then it connects with the white. Okay, so a quick reminder to those that are new to the trail. If you're on the trail and you decide to take a break and you see people coming from either direction, the proper thing to do is to get off the trail. If people are coming up, do yourself and them a favor by moving off to the side. Don't sit there, take selfies, and then get upset when people give you a look because they're trying to make their way through. Leave no trace, respect others, let's keep moving. So you have navigated the storm there, Stephanie. How do you feel?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think the pack fits really well.
Do you know how many hills are on Cumberland Island?
0.
So I think you're going to be doing just fine.
Great.
Okay, so you'll notice it has a white blaze here. And we're back at that connecting point we were at earlier, where it split off on the red blaze trail. So this might have been a little stint that went down along the river.
I would have to do this.
There you go. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Yeah, you just can't go straight. You just have to get your feet sideways.
Difficult, oh my goodness. So another lesson for all those dog owners out there. This is part of Leave No Trace. I don't care if you are coming back to pick up your wag bag. Make sure you take that out because nobody wants to see a bright green bag on trail. All right, so that's that. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.